So I thought I'd show you a different side of me, my face, instead of just the hands doing all the work of the sewing machine. And I'm also a crafter, and I like to craft things that I think are useful. So right now in our day and age, everybody wants to reuse things and bring your own bag shopping. That's a big thing where I live. I live in Florida. So I thought that this would be a pretty cool thing for you to have. And this is a tote bag, believe it or not. And you unzip it. And it opens up. I'll back up just a little bit so that you can see, so you can see it a little bit better. But there's the tote bag. It's pretty good sized. It's deep. It's got a nice base to it. The base is the part I showed you originally. It's great for holding just about anything like groceries, your yarn, your crafts if you go shopping. It's machine washable and dryable. And the best thing about this is when you're home and you take all your stuff out, you don't have to be really neat to put it back together again, because I never am. So you just kind of fold it up, and as long as what you're putting in here, oh, wrong side, as long as what you're putting in here isn't getting caught in the zipper, it zips right up. So sometimes putting it back in might take a little bit longer because you have to like smoosh all the pieces into it, but it goes together really, really fast. And the best part about it is it fits in your pocket, it fits in your purse, in your backpack, just about anywhere. And it does zip up easy. Like I said, the hardest part is like smooshing it in with your finger, but there you go. I mean, I'd rather tote this thing around than those great big bags. And the cool thing is it comes in a lot of colors. I have this one, which is dolphins. If you can see that one. And I want to tell you, I have a lot of these. This is a marlin, I believe. Let's see. We have some daisies for you. A plain sunny one. We have the Indianapolis Colts, I believe. Don't hold me to these sports teams because I really don't know very many of them. Tampa Bay Rays. I have sun and moon and stars and planets. For you camo people, we have the pink camo. Another yellow one. This is a fun one. I have the Red Hat Society. That was a big thing a while back. If you're a Bears fan, I have your Chicago Bears. If you're a seamstress, this one's got buttons on it. I have one for Hanukkah. The Miami Dolphins. Some of these are one and done. Some of them, they can be special ordered if I only have one and you want more than one. This is Cowboys and Buckles kind of a thing. Teapots. That's a fun one. This one is cigars, believe it or not. Let's see if I can show it to you on this one. Oh, probably. Yeah. Cock cigars. Red, white, and blue. 4th of July. Like I said, I live in Florida, so seashells. And we have a Hawaiian one. It's kind of cool. More flowers. Tulips. Another teapot. Let's see. Red, white, and blue stars. On a like an Americana kind of theme. And then we have the flag. Let's see. This one is different beers. And this is a different Tampa Bay Bucks. Let's see. We have gardening. I have a Jack Skellington one. More red, white, and blue. Let's see. What else do we have? Oh, yeah. The other cigar fabric that I had. Someone had given it to me a long time ago, and I have it. This is a batik. It's really small and thin. It's the same size. They're all the same size. It's just the pattern is different. And this is, I believe it's shells. Kind of hard to see. We have some Japanese inspired fabric. Some of these were from Joann's. This is a purple leaf, I guess those are. And then there's some more flowers. So some of these I have duplicates of. If you're interested, head on over to the website. They're all posted on there except the sports teams because it's a copyright infringement thing. So if you wanted one of those, you're going to have to send me a message and we could do it that way. I bill through PayPal if I have to do it through another alternative source. Otherwise, if you go right to the website, you can pay right there. I'll get the notification, and these ship out the next day because they're done. If you special order anything, then that might take me a little bit of time. Turnaround time could be, I dropped one on the floor. Turnaround time's probably about 3 days. So, you know, as long as I have the fabric, that's the turnaround time. If I don't have the fabric, then I have to order it. But, you know, we can discuss all that as we talk and chat. But like I said, you know, they're great little pieces. You know, they unzip. And when I'm at a craft show, they're like, are those pods? And I'm like, I don't know what a pod is, but no, it's a bag. So I usually have one opened and show them, you know, what it looks like open. So whatever the design you see here in the closed piece, they're opened up. So if you go to the website, you're just going to see pictures of this. So this is the design that's on the inside. They're not two different designs. It's the same thing. And, you know, you just roll it up and close it up. That's really all you do to them. But like I said, they're machine washable and dryable. I wash everything in cold water. So as long as you wash this stuff in cold water, you should be fine. It's not going to bleed or, you know, it's 100% cotton fabric. So maybe, and it's like a 1% chance of it shrinking. And the only place it's going to shrink or the amount it's going to shrink is going to be about a percentage. It's not going to shrink that much to it. Like I said, the hardest part is pushing it all in and getting it away from the zipper, but it doesn't take that long. I'm not really paying attention to what I'm doing either. I'm talking to you. So yeah, there you go. Can't beat it. So go check it out. If you're interested in something that I don't have, just let me know and we'll see what we can come up with. Have a great day.